Hello friends, welcome to CS tutorial. Today we'll be solving problem 344 on leetcode that says reverse string. And the problem statement says write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do, you must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of one extra space. You may also assume all characters consist of printable ASCII characters. The first example we're given is um, an array of characters that put together says hello, and the output is reversed. And we also have an array of characters put together that says Hannah, and the output is reversed. So essentially, what this question is asking us to do is reverse an array without using extra space. So without wasting too much time, we're just going to go ahead and jump into the code. The first thing we want to do is get the length of our array, s.length, and we're going to need a couple pointers, one pointing at the beginning of the array and one pointing at the end. So int I is equal to 0, and we'll say j is equal to length minus 1. And so I is will be pointing at the beginning of the array, j will be pointing at the end of the array. So we say while I is less than j, we're gonna have a temp, a variable where we store s of I. So we say s of I plus plus will be equal to s of j, and s of j minus minus will be equal to temp. And we don't have to return anything. If we run this code, we should get the correct answer, and we get the correct expected output. So just a quick run through of what we just solved here. Um, we are going from the beginning of our string, the first character in the array, to the last character in the array, well, to the middle, essentially. I is pointing at the beginning, j is pointing at the end. We first of all take whatever is in s of I and store it in a temp variable. And then we copy what's in s of j to s of I, and whatever we also replace what is in s of j by by temp, which was what was previously in s of I, and we do that until I and j meet at the center or the middle. And once that happens, we break out of the loop and our solution is complete. And if we submit this, we should get our answer is correct, and that is the long and short of this answer. I hope this you find this informative and straight to the point. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.